from Firebird suite, rehearsal number 12. Tempo marking is quarter note equals 160. Very fast, but don't worry about it. Practice under tempo always. Mostly this piece is about dynamics and lots of accents. So let's talk about rehearsal number 12. We have fortissimo. That doesn't mean has to be rough or heavy. You can always start from your string. So set your bow to the string and then pull. So first note is A with the accent. You can start from A string, open string, or you can start from D string with 1. So let's start with the open string. Rehearsal number 14 is a division, so always play top notes for the audition. Rehearsal number 15 is pizzicato with the piano. So you need to be ready 2 measures before rehearsal number 15. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, right before rehearsal number 15, you have 2 measures of dotted half notes. So don't cut the beat, you need to count exactly 6 beats even though you're gonna lift your bow and ready for the pizzicato. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Two measures before rehearsal number 16. Which has an arco, so we need to go back to the bow. So C sharp, G, C sharp, and then back to first position F natural. And then the last A pizzicato, instead of doing right hand pizzicato, but left hand pizzicato will be better for preparing your arco next measure. So C sharp. So you have enough time to put your bow on the string. So 16, start with the piano, but there are accents. So always from the string. And also there is a cello on rehearsal number 16. So start from stable tempo at the beginning with a dynamic piano, where you have a mezzo forte, you can actually start the accelerando a little bit faster and faster, and at the end of the section there is a crescendo.